Hello everyone. I am an aptitude trainer from Department of Career Planning and Development, and I will be discussing on the topic paper cutting and folding. So basically in paper cutting and folding there are two type of questions arises. One is based on cutting, where a cutted piece of a paper is provided to you, is shown in the figure to you, and one figure is made, and they will ask which figure contains all of these pieces. And another type of questions is on paper folding, where they will fold the papers in a certain pattern and punching holes, and question will be like that: when you open those papers, what will be the final pattern? So let's see some basics about how to solve this type of questions. Let's see first of all about paper folding. So we're discussing about paper folding. This was the problem figures. First of all, a complete sheet. First of all, understand what does this dotted line and complete line represents. This complete line represents, this is the complete sheet of the paper, and dotted line represents this sheet is folded by this point. And arrow represent from this side to this side. That means this is the complete sheet. This complete sheet is folded, half of this fold from this side to this side. Then this one was the complete sheet layout. This dotted line represent now this sheet has been folded to this side. So when this sheet has been folded to this side, this means at a resultant sheet will be like this. This complete line represents sheet is like that. Now second part is this line, dotted line again represent this sheet will be folded from this point and from this side to this side. This is marked as figure B. This one is the previous one is marked as the figure X. So when this sheet is folded like this, resultant figure will be like this one, and this one is the complete layout of the figure. And at the last in the figure Z, they punched hole like in square shape like this one and this one. So trick to solve this type of questions is nothing but just open this sheet in reverse order. Just see in answer figure, first of all the complete sheet, when you open the complete sheet will be like this one. So this one, this one, this one, and this one, just represent this one as the complete sheet. Now this figure, just mark it as dotted line because figure will be open like this dotted line and dotted line like this one. So at last resultant figure will be this one, and punched hole this side and this side will make the punch hole in this side and this side. So this in the reverse order from Z to Y, when you open this figure from this side to this side, this arrow to this arrow, when you open this side to this side, you will see this punch hole will go here. So this punch hole will go here and this punch hole will go here. Second one, when you now figure is open like this one. No, at last when you open the figure from this side to this side, what you will see from open figure from this side to this side. So this punch hole will go here. 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 So this one is the at last nothing but the answer figure to this type of questions. So have you learned how to solve this type of problem figures when papers are folded and punched hole? So the basic way is open the figure in the reverse order, and the second and the effective way is just go with options. I will tell you how this type happen. Tell you that how this could be happen from the options. Just let's see the another type of paper cutting. Okay, so let's see the paper cutting. Okay, so this type of the questions will be written. Just read the directions. In this question, among the four alternative figures, which figure can be formed from the cut pieces given below in the question figure? Now these are the cutted figures here. This one, this one, this one, and this one. You have to tell which figure has contained all of these pieces. So let's say I'm using the highlighter here. Let's see. Okay, first of all, let's see this figure. Where you can see this figure is here, this figure is here, this figure is here, this figure is here. So this figure contains in all the figures. So let's see another one. Okay, let's see this figure. This figure is here. Okay, this figure does not contain this figure, so this could be not be our answer. Let's see this figure. This figure is here. This figure is here. Okay, the one thing is the size does not matter. You have to see just figures. So out of A, C, D, one of these could be our answer. B could not be our answer because it does not contain this figure. Okay, just see the next one. Just see this one, this shape. Okay, let's see about this figure. This figure does not contain this one, so A could not be our answer. Let's see about B and D. So this one contains, this one also contains this figure. So out of C and D, one could be our answer. Let's see the last one. This one has this side, but this figure does not contain this figure, so this could not be our answer. So our answer will be answer C. So it is clear how to solve the paper cutted problems. Let's see another one. Examples. This one contains a square transparent sheet with pattern is given. So figure out from amongst the four alternatives as to how the pattern would appear when the transparent sheet is folded at the middle line shows. This one is the previous one which I have told you in the sheet that how to solve this type of questions. This one is the complete sheet. First of all, sheet is folded like this one and this one, then folded from this point to this point, because at last sheet will be folded like this one. So from this side, this sheet again is folded to upside, then they hold these punches. So you can see when these punches will be open from the first side, so these punches will be here, here and here. So when you open from this side to this side, you will see this punch will go here, this punch will go here, and this punch will go here. So we have to see which figure contain this type of figures. You can see this could not be our answer because here this side and this side would be the figure. So option A neglects. This could not be our answer. So let's see the option B. Okay, in option B you can have to see this one as 1, 2 and 3. So you will see one could be here, one could be here and one could be here. So but this one has the complete straight pattern, so this again could not be our answer. So let's see about this one. 1, 2, 3. This one is some similar like this one, but this one here the one hole is at center, but you can see the center could not contain any hole, so this one again could not be our answer. So our answer will be answer option number C. So from these types you can solve the paper folded figure problems. It is better to go with options, because by options it will become very easy. Instead of solving this one again, you have to open this fold, you will see this figure will go here, this point 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 and this one and this one. At the end you will see the figure of this type would be formed. Let's see another question. Question figure. I will give you 10 to 20 second time. Just try to solve it and write the options. Then I will tell how to solve this type of questions again. Just go with options. You can tell the answer within a seconds, because when you see the tricks, what type of figure could be formed and how this figure could be formed. Okay, let's see the question number 1. Okay, first of all, this one is a circle. This circle is folded by half, again folded, again folded, again folded from this side, and at last the resultant will be this one and this one. So this figure So this figure is placed here and punched from this side to this side, and important point is what shape is punched, this side and this side. So first of all, you can see when this figure will be open, you will see, you will get this one like this one like this. So this type of figures will be formed here. Again, this one will be this side and somewhat this side. So when you see this side figure, so this will be there. Again you open, you will see the points here, you will see the point in this line, you will see the point this line, this line and this line. Just see what type of figure will show this type of figures. So here these points are there. So A could not be our answer, B could not be our answer because the figure of there is changed, their signs is changed. The sign should be, the sharp side would be inside this figure and it could be like this one. So you will see this could be our answer and this could be our answer. But when you see when you see this clearly that the center one, this figure contains a hole in the centers, but when you see this figure, this does not contain hole in any center. So our answer would be option number C. So it is clear how to solve these type of questions by options. Okay, let's see the second figures here. The question number second here. This figure again folded from this side to this side, this side to this side, this side to this side, then the holes are punched. Now you can see, just take your time and try to solve this question. Okay, so let's see, when you open this figure from this side to this side, you will see these are the rectangular shapes, triangular shapes. So just see this figure contain rectangles. So rectangle, so square, whatever there is one. So this could not be our answer. Similarly, this could not be our answer. Our answer could be this one and this one. But you see, this holes or these punches are in a symmetry, but this does not contain any symmetry, so this could not be our answer. Our answer would be option number C. So this is the way how to solve these questions very efficiently. Okay, just take your time and solve this question. Okay, just see this one. Let's see this figure. Now this complete figure does not contain this figure, so this could not be our answer. Let's see in this one again does not contain this figure, so this could not be our answer. Let's see this one has contained this figure, and this one again contain this type of figure. Okay, let's see this figure. In these two figures, this figure is here, this figure is placed here. Okay, let's see this figure. This figure is here, and in this one, this figure does not contain this figure. Again a right angle triangle, this figure contained a right angle triangle, this figure does not contain a right angle triangle, so this could not be our answer. Our answer would be option number C. Okay, just take your time and solve this question. Let me switch it to pen. Okay, let's see. First of all, again this one has folded this side, this one again folded this side, again folded, then they hold these punches. At last the figure will be like this one. So when you see, when this figure will be open, this could be something like this one, and a down and a straight and a down, and it could be something like this one, like this. When you open this side to this side, this could be something like this one. So let's see again, when you open this figure, you will see this will complete one figure here, this side will goes here, this side will goes here, because when you open like this one, again when you open like this one, this will be goes like this one, here and here. So complete in this one. So when you see bottom two sides, there could be holes, there could be hole, bottom two sides, bottom two sides. So bottom two sides hole could be, and hole could be like this shape. So this one contains a triangle, so this could not be our answer. This one again contains single triangle, this could not be our answer. So our answer would be either A or D. Out of these two, one could be our answer. So let's see which one is our answer. Next, when you see, both of the figures look like similar, but there is a one difference. Just see here, this hole contains equal to this point, and this one has slightly upwards to this point. So this is the difference between these two. That's why this question is somewhat a little bit difficult to understand which one has the right option. So let's see here. So okay, so when you open this figure again, you will see this will complete, and this hole will goes here. Now just see here, this hole, when you open this one, this will be, this point will be slightly upward to this point. So this point could be somewhat here, because both of them are not in equal, both of them are not in the straight lines, they are slightly, there is a slightly difference between them. So this could be a little bit upward to this point. So our answer would be option number D. Option A does not. So our answer would be option number D. So it is clear how to solve these questions. Okay, let's see this another question. Just take your time to solve this question. Okay, see this problem here. Okay, let me select some pen here. Okay, let's see. First of all, this figure has turned from this side to this side. Again, this paper is folded from this side to this side. At last, this paper is folded like in the terms of a equilateral triangle. Then they punched hole in this point and this point. You can see this, they just see the options here. When you see option number A, so let's see, it could be our answer or not. You can see when you open this one, this side to this side, first step, so you will see this will complete the figure something like that, and this hole will go there. So you will see, and this hole will go here in this side. So you will see the option number could not be our answer, because this does not contain these holes which are in the somewhat in the center, somewhat in the their position. So this could not be our answer. Let's see this one. This one is a complete in center, and when you see the center one does not has any hole. So again this could not be our answer. Again this one again has in center, so this could not be our answer. So at last our answer would be option number D. So this is how to solve this type of questions. Okay, this one is another problem. Just see the figure. Now take your time to solve this figure. Could you get the answer? Okay, let's see. First of all, figure is folded from this side to this side, then this side to this side, then this side to this side again. What does this mean? This means first of figure folded like this one, then this short figure, then this short figure again folded. This was the point here. So when at last resultant figure will be is a small figure, and they punched hole in this side, this side, this side. You can see the hole punch are in the shape of triangles. So just see, first of all, when you open the figure, you will see, just see how many folds are there. 1 2 3, 3 folds are there. So it could be the right thing that minimum 3 dots should be there. So let's see, you can clearly say that the option number A could not be our answer. Now let's see option number B. Now just see, option number could be our answer. Let's see here, when you open this figure first time, you will see these dots will go here, these dots will go here. But the one thing is, this does not, this will complete a figure, this will again complete a figure when you open this complete figure. But see, this last point does not complete any figure, so this will remain as such. So you can say that the option number B again could not be our answer. So because option number C does contain this one and this one, so the out of these two, one could be our answer. But see, the difference between the figure is this one contain this point, but this one does not have. Just see, the original figure contain this point or not. So when you see here in this side does not contain any hole, so this point could not be there. So again option number D could not be our answer. So our answer would be answer number C. This is our answer, option number C. So basically this is the way, go by options, because this will save your time as much as possible. Let's see another example. Clearly you can see and tell what could be our answer here. Okay, let's see, this one has a complete circle. So you can say that option number C could not be our answer, because these lines are beyond this circle or out of this circle, or making this lines does not make it any circle. Okay, let's see another one. Because we can cut the sheets, we cannot add the sheets here, so this could not be our answer. Okay, let's see, the circle is folded the half, semicircle, again this folded the half, then they cut the paper in this side, only outside in the this side. So center one, it does not cut any center, so this could not be our answer. Similarly this could not be our answer, so we left with the option number A. So our answer would be this one. You can verify this one. These dots are here. When you open first tab from this side to this side, you will get this cut here. When you open this side to this side, you will see this cut will go here, this cut will go here, and this cut will go here. So our right answer will be option number A. Let's see another example. Okay, this one is a triangle. First of it fold, it's again fold, it's again fold, and this one is fold. Just see here how this one is folded here. In this part, when you fold this one, you will get this triangle as this one, and this one, and this one. So at the resultant figure is this one, and this one. This red line is the resultant figure here. This is how this figure is formed. When this part is comes here, this will become this one. So one hole is punched here, another hole is punched here. So when you open this one, when you just see here, when you open this one, you will get only this part, only this part will goes upside. That means this side and this side. So this dot will goes here, Is this clear? This dot will go here, but this dot does not go here. When you further open from this side to this side, when you see this one, so this hole will goes here, and again this hole will again goes here, and at last this one will go here. So resultant will be our figure will be our option number C. Resultant will be our option number C. This could not be our answer because this one is complete a group of 3, but here it could be a group of 4. Similarly, this one contain only 2. Here we need 4. This one again contain 2. This will again get 4. So you can directly, without making all of this, you can directly say that our option number, right option will be option number C by seeing these 4 points here. Let's see another example. This one. Okay, take your time. Okay, right answer will be, just see again directly this, when fold this figure, again this figure is folded, this one punched hole this side. Again see, when this figure will be opened, this figure will be opened from this side to above. So these holes will be go here, this one go here, this one go here. The figure will be 1 2 3 dots here, 3 dots here. When again further open this point, you will get 3 dots here, 3 dots here. So right option will be option number B, because only B figure contain these holes. Again you can directly see these holes. Where are these holes? This side and this side and this side. So option number C directly neglects from here. Option number C directly neglects from here. Left with option number A. When you open this side to this side, these holes will goes here, so this does not contain. Option number A neglects. When you open this side, these holes will goes here. Option number D does not contain this one, so right option will be option number B. This is how you can neglect all of this by options.